Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. John here from Wild Boar Cycling. Hey, we're gonna do the YouTube thing today and have an unboxing of a new tool that I just purchased from Park Tools. This is the PRS-26 team issued Pro bike stand, bike repair stand. And I'm so excited to have this because I've just been so frustrated with the cheap one that I bought on one of the social media sites. So let's go ahead and do this unboxing and see what attracted me to this. And I want to share that with you today, why I chose to use a Park Tool repair stand. Enjoy. Turn around here so folks can see. Oh yeah, super packaging job. Let's take the parts out here. Here's the main stand. Well folks, it looks like some assembly required, but that's okay. Wow, paint job is amazing on these legs. Base. And another cool box to open here. Let's move some of this stuff out of the way so you can see that one. Interesting thing about YouTube and opening packages, and it seems that's the customary feat on many of the videos. You only get one shot to do that. Because once it's open, it's opened. And the suspense isn't there anymore. And here we have the clamp. Assembly manual. And the other necessary parts. So now I've got the legs on here. I think it's time to move the table out of the way and put this down on the floor so I can finish assembling the rest of the stand. I'm gonna tighten this down just a little bit here to keep the legs in place. Okay, now I've moved the table out of the way so you can see how I've got the legs on the floor. I'm gonna go ahead and move around to the other side and finish assembling the stand. So the last piece of assembly here we just need to put on, this is the business end of the bike stand, is assemble this, the jaws onto the stand itself. There's a bolt inside here that just screws that on. And that's how you tighten and loosen it so you can get your different angles. Not the easiest setup that I've ever done, or putting a piece of equipment together, but it certainly, every piece fit well. Everything is machined out properly. None of the bolts had any play in them, so really nice job from Park Tool to make that happen. Now I want to take a moment and look through some of the features of this that really attracted me to why I wanted to spend just a little bit more money for a Park Tool one of the same class of the portable team-issued bike stands. Yeah, let's take a little closer look now about why I chose to purchase the Park Tool PRS-26 instead of maybe one of the ones that was less expensive. Hey, the first thing I want to mention is the maximum capacity. Now, if you watched me in the last video, I struggled with my wife's e-bike, precariously bouncing her bike on my other home bike stand. And this one here has a maximum capacity of 80 pounds, and that's going to be more than sufficient to hold that bike up. The other piece I was attracted to was the jaw width. If you look at this, this will open all the way up to about 70 millimeters, wider than other similar bike stands in this class. Great mechanism, has that cam feature on it that can go way wide, and really just a smooth operation. Hey, the next piece is the anodized aluminum. If you look down here at the bottom, you can see how this aluminum is just really well made, well constructed. As I mentioned earlier, all the holes lined up, and it was super easy to put together once I figured out where all the parts went to. Next thing, look at the size of that base. That base is super stable. I'm going to be able to put my bikes up on here and not have to worry about it. I think to close it out here, I'll put my checkpoint up here and see how that looks. And the last thing that really attracted me to it was the overall lightweight. This particular bike stand, I know it costs a few dollars more, is lighter than other similar brand bike stands on the market for the quality and the weight capacity. Nice job from Park Tool. So folks, here you have it, the Park Tool PRS-26. And I've mounted my checkpoint up in here just to check it out to see how it goes. And I just want to show you how stable it is. I tell you, this is going to be really a much better platform to work off of due to that wide base and the quality that you get when you purchase a Park Tool. And you folks out there that do some of your own maintenance at home, you already know what that quality is from Park Tool and what to expect. So last thing I want to show you before we wrap up today is I'm going to take it all down, and then I'm going to show you how it folds up for easy transport. Quick release, lock, loosen the leg holder, slide those up all the way, boom, tighten it down, and you are ready to go. Well folks, there you have it, the Park Tool PRS-26. This is the team issue bike stand, repair stand. It's going to be equally comfortable out on the trail or in the road, and also at home in your garage. A well-built piece of equipment. Hey, one of the things I want you to make sure that you all remember about Wild Boar Cycling is we don't take any funding from any of the companies. These are all things that we believe in and that we're sharing our experience with you, and hope it's helpful in having you make a decision about maybe something more robust in your home garage. So well, anyhow, well, thanks for tuning in all the way to the end. Make sure you do the standard YouTube thing like, subscribe, and notify so you know when our next production comes available. In the meantime, go out and ride, have fun, and of course, keep the rubber side down. Bye, y'all.